Welcome back. Monsoon session of the State Assembly will commence on Wednesday. This session is most important as amended Lokayukta Bill 2003 will be tabled in the House. Session is also important as Speaker Pratap Singh Rane will decide the fate of the PAC report as 4 members of the PAC have rejected it. The two-day session will see morcha by BJP, Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch and Mayakars.
546 questions will be answered during this two-day assembly session. Of these, 58 are start questions on the first day and 47 start questions on second day. Cabinet on Monday had approved the amended Goa Lokayukta Bill 2003 and renamed it as Lokayukta Bill 2011. Digambar Kamath government will place the bill in the coming assembly session. BJP has also supported this bill. But the fate of the PAC report now lies with Speaker Pratap Singh Rane. PAC report has been not signed by 4 members out of 7. As a result, it is not possible for PAC chairman Manohar Parrikar to table it in the House. PAC report will now go to the Speaker and Speaker will decide its fate. BJP is planning a major morcha on assembly to condemn various policies of the state government. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch would also join this morcha. On the other hand, Maya locals will take morcha on assembly to highlight custodian issue.
5 तारखेक व्हरपाचो ह्या मोर्चान सगळ्यांनी सहभागी जावचे आणि गोंय स्वातंत्र्य संग्रामाची अर्धवट जी प्रक्रिया उरलेली आसा ही पूर्ण करपा खातीर आमकां सहकार्य करचें.
भूमी नागरिकृती समितीन हो सुधारित जे बिलाचो मसुदो तेंचे कडेन दिल्लो आसा पळय तो एनी हाव एट एनी कॉस्ट तो थंय टेबल करपाचो म्हणजे तो असेंब्लीन तो मांडपाचो तसो ओके एंड लेट द लेजिस्लेटिव्ह हाऊस डिसाइड.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, and from Maye, Uday Parab.
Now, Madgaon will soon have a full-fledged modern KTC bus stand. The bus stand will be erected at the existing venue. The bus stand will have commercial outlets. GSIDC will build this 200 crore project spreading over 16 acres. The bus stand will have a mega parking facility. Foundation stone will be laid on the auspicious day of Dasara.
Finally, the long-pending demand of people from the commercial capital of Goa will be fulfilled. A new full-fledged bus stand will be constructed at Madgaon. This 200 crore project will be spread over the area of 16 acres.
We want to have one hotel block, one area for a retail mall, one block will be for corporate offices, food courts, restaurants, ATMs, public facilities, a rooftop park, these are components which we will want to integrate in the project.
Project design for bus stand is ready, but it will take around 6 to 8 months for the actual work to begin. There is a provision for 300 buses to park on the bus stand, 600 cars and around 400 other vehicles to park in the basement.
Steel structure केल्यार कितलो वेगी जातलो, concrete structure केल्यार कितलो टाइम लागतलो आणि cost variation. ह्या प्रमाणे आम्ही सरकाराक विचारपाक केला की स्टील स्ट्रक्चराक या और पार्ट स्टील स्ट्रक्चर पार्ट concrete structure करया अशें कशें हाका टाइम लागता.
Managing Director of KTC, Venancio Furtad, was also present for the press briefing. When reporters inquired about the actual loss incurred by Kadamba Corporation, Furtad refused to comment. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalavi.
The Muhurat shot of Konkani film Digant was taken at Vasco on Monday. Digant is an attempt to portray importance of human values, freedom and contentment. The story based on Dhangar community is written by Art and Culture Director Prasad Loliankar.
Murgaon MLA Milind Naik acted in the Muhurat shot of Vincent Graphics Productions' Konkani film Digant on Monday. This film narrates the significance of fundamental values that uphold humanity at every facet of the life. The story based on Dhangar community is written by Art and Culture Department's Director Prasad Loliankar. He says that it took almost 18 years to start off with the movie.
This story I have conceived almost 18 years back when first time I told this to Jnanish Moghe. that time we had not planned for, a story was not basically written for a movie or film. Just I wanted to write a play. Ganesh told me that one day we'll make a film on this story, and
Goan theatre artists will be seen in this movie. The 90-minute Konkani movie is expected to be ready within 2 months. Most of the shooting will be done in Goa. The movie will be directed by Gyanesh Moge.
धनगर जो समाज असा त्यांची पार्श्वभूमी या कथेक लाभल्या आणि निसर्गाबद्दल त्यांची आत्मीयता त्यांची कशी असता, त्यांचा आत्मभाव कसो असता, निसर्गाक ते कसे मानता आणि जसजसे आमचे जगपाची मूल्य बदलतात, जगपाची आम्ही जसे वेगळे तरेन जगता, शहरीत जे आमचे जीवन आम्ही ज्या तरेन जगतात आणि थंय जी मूल्य आसा ती कशी वेगळी आसा.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Goa and Portugal have a rich history, especially in art, and to keep the cultural ties alive, a gift in the form of a 17th century antique statue was donated to the Museum of Christian Art Collection, Old Goa, for permanent display. The statue was donated by the daughter of the late Count of Nova Goa. An exquisite 17th century statue of the Virgin and Child were presented to the Archbishop of Goa, Philip Neri Ferrao, on Monday. The statue is a family heirloom of Miss Teresa de Mendio de Castro, the daughter of the late Count of Nova Goa. Also, a new edition of the catalogue of the Museum of Christian Art was offered as a gift by the Calouste Gulbenkian Foundation. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar, Consul General of Portugal Dr. Antonio Costa, and dignitaries were present for the function. The Archbishop thanked Parrikar for his assistance in installing the museum during his tenure.
We still remember the spontaneous announcement you made on the day of the inauguration of the new premises to assure us that the government of Goa would take responsibility for the payment of the security services at the museum, a promise that is being kept by the government till date. We thank you that you came to the rescue of an endeavor that would otherwise be very difficult to sustain without such a gracious initiative and effective action.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ramit Dalvi. It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.